We are here at 2750 Stickney Point Road in Sarasota, Florida. And we're going to see if this elevator has been fixed. I think it has. But we're going to see. Because when I was here a few days ago, it was out of order. No, it looks like it works. That's where the old call station was. Now they have a key switch. And again, this was formerly a General. It's now a ThyssenKrupp. Let's go to... Here we are in 2. As you might be able to tell, one of the differences between the old elevator and the new one is that this elevator now has a geared door operator, which means it makes a little bit of a noise. We're gonna go down. 2, 1. Where else do you go? Yeah. So these are the ThyssenKrupp, not ThyssenKrupp, Mad BS vandal resistant fixtures. Here we are on 1. I'm not sure what that is. It's been in there for like the past few months. At least since December, I'll tell you that. Let's see, so this elevator has a 2,100 pound capacity. Now let's go 2. Thankfully, I did get to ride this when it was original back in May 2017, over a year ago. And again, a year ago is probably about when this was modernized. Alright, we're going to get a little bit of a view. As you see, out there is Stickney Point Road. And, let's see. Yeah, I think that's about all you're going to see. Over there is the elevator machine room. Anyway, we're gonna go down. It still has its original GAL interlock. You can see it on the shaft. Alright, now we're gonna go to 1. We're gonna watch the button go out this time. Wait, what? Huh. That was strange. Did the elevator just break on me? Are you serious? Shut. Please shut. What? Okay. I don't want to get stuck in here, but... Oh my god. Shut. No. The elevator just broke on me. As in, the doors will not shut. We'll see if they shut now. They did, huh? Did the elevator go down is the question, though. Maybe now. Maybe the elevator didn't want me riding it. And yeah, it went down. So, okay. Alright, well I'm gonna call it again, see if I can ride it down for real now. Should be coming. Hopefully it doesn't come and like I get stuck in it or something. And hopefully I'm not about to jinx myself. Alright, now let's see what happens. Let's go to 1. Does it shut though? It's not moving. Okay, we're here on 2. 1, I just realized it went up as well. It went up about an inch. Finally, it's shut. Okay, that was weird. Alright, I'm getting off this thing before it traps me. Yeah, you can see here, newer ThyssenKrupp elevators. I will say I have noticed a consistent pattern of like new mods or like new installations going out of order, like within the first year of like their installation slash modernization. Yeah, this elevator right here was out of order the last time I was here, and some other examples include the elevator at the Gulfgate Library in Sarasota, Florida. That one of the elevators went out of order about 2 weeks after it was installed. So, anytime from like your installation slash modernization to about a year after, a year later, yeah, watch out, because I have noticed a consistent pattern of these new ThyssenKrupp elevators breaking down. So with that being said, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys.